What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? I'm back at it with another video. You already know who it is. You already know what it is. As y'all can see by today's title, we my bad, I'm driving. We going to the car wash right now. But as you can see by today's title, we gonna get a chrome delete today. And after I get the chrome delete, I got some windshield rain guards. Window rain guards to put on my car. So once we get the chrome delete, I'm gonna show y'all like a before and after, and then I'm gonna show y'all a little clip of the rain guards. But the thing is, I was gonna put the rain guards on, but that didn't make sense, so I have to just get the chrome delete and then put the rain guards on. Hopefully they stick. I end up getting super glue, but I really don't want to put the glue on them, but I don't want them to fly off when I'm driving. Like, even if they get wet or anything, I don't want them to, fall off. So right now I'm heading to the car wash. Well, I'm at the car wash right now. So once I do this, I probably gotta go home right quick. And then he said he gonna call me at like 2 o'clock. It's 2:31 1:31 right now. So once he called me, I'm gonna probably head down and we gonna get this thing rolling. I told y'all I got like a few videos coming up for my car. And so, this was supposed to be Thursday. It was supposed to be Thursday. But since he had hit me back yesterday, I asked him, can he do it today? So he could do it today. But Thursday coming, we got some more work to do. Not me and him, but yeah, the G gonna have some more work on it. And then I'm gonna, record that and all that. So I'm gonna just wash the car right quick, clean the inside the car. I don't know if this is good. Y'all tell me if this is a good product. I was gonna spray this on front of the car to just, I don't know, cause my car white, so they got like black spots and bugs and all that on there. So I'm gonna just clean that up and yeah, shake this bit back. I ain't lying, but I'm gonna holla at y'all when I'm done. All right, I'm back, y'all. So boom, I just came from the car wash. Bro, I hate when people can't drive, bro. Like, anyways, I just came from the car wash. We about to head over there. I told him I was gonna come for 3, but he sent me the address and I'm like 20-some minutes away. So finna head down. I'm gonna let y'all take a little ride with me. I ain't gonna talk. It's just gonna play music or whatever. Okay, I might get on this interstate. It might. I hope it ain't. I hope I don't got traffic. But yeah, I'ma just take the little ride or whatever. And yeah, if I cut it out, I don't remember that boy address for us. So if I cut it out, you gonna see it or whatever. But yeah, let's get to it. y'all, we made it. And this just a little clip of the before. See all that chrome right there? All at the bottom right there. I'm about to get rid of that. It's gonna be black on both sides. So, oh, I could have did that. I ain't noticed that, but this is around the windows. I ain't tripping. So, that's all I'm about to do right now. Alright, y'all, that's what it look like. It look weird, but I just gotta go dark on my tent. You hear me? Clean G. You hear me? I might put that on the back. I ain't gonna lie about where I'm at. Them people don't play right there. Them people don't play. So it's the finishing, you know, project right here. About to put the wind guards on there. I don't have a foam on right now, so I'ma just, I don't know. I'll just do it and let y'all see it, that's all. Alright, y'all, this what it look like right here. That's for the front. This one for the back is gonna go in there like this. And I'ma do it and just let y'all see how it come out. That's the other two for the other side. And yeah, I hope this come out good though, I ain't lying. Alright, so boom. I got this one on there already. It's stuck down. I'm about to put the front one on right quick. Yeah. Let's get to it. That be like a Honda, no, I ain't lying. It'll be clean though. Going crazy. I'm about to get my next one probably like in April. Probably in May and June. I don't know. I'm going crazy. Gotta put these last two on up. Call it a day here, man. Oh, for these, I'm gonna put the link in the description. They easy to install. I forgot how much they was. Like probably like $60, $70, I think. It ain't bad. But let's get this on here. So I go inside. I'm tired. I just got some glue to make sure it's still on top of the film of the chrome delete. As I just put a little on there. Nothing too crazy. But look, like I said, Thursday, we gonna get some more work done. This gonna be like a performance mod, I guess. It's 2 of them actually. And probably like sometime next month, I got another one. But I actually ended up talking to him about tinted tail lights for me. He was like 150 for, you know, both of them. They ain't bad. So I'm gonna go dark with that, but I ain't gonna go too dark. Even though I kinda like want to. But yeah, I'll just see, you know, whenever I do it. Let me get this one on, I'm gonna let it dry. And then tomorrow morning, I hope it'll be done dried up and all that, but we gonna see. They look clean though, I ain't gonna lie. They look real clean. I like it like that. I like the chrome delete. Yeah, gonna have that bit looking like a whole police car. So look, I ain't gonna say this at the end of the video, but once I show y'all what it look like in the morning, then I'll, you know, end the video. But as of now, this is just for right now. I'm gonna wrap it up right here, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it look like in the inside and close up. I'm gonna paint my rims until I get some new ones, I guess. But for right now, I'm gonna just repaint them. I like how they look in the inside. They look like a little tint. Yes, sir. Alright, like I said, this the end of the video, but tomorrow morning I'm gonna show y'all how it look. I hope when I drive nothing don't fly off. That's why I had the glue. But yeah, other than that, I like how it look. We just gonna wait on these I ain't gonna say wait on these parts to come in because I already got them. It's just Thursday. It's gonna be crazy, bro. Like, just wait. But I'm gonna holler at y'all later.